Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I just have one coin. It's from the reign of George III. It's from 1807 and it's a halfpenny. Now this particular halfpenny that you can see here was only issued between 1806 and 1807. You have the king's head here, which is it looks like a slightly weird portrait. But you have, instead of a crown, you have a laureate on the short-haired version of the king. There is also a Soho mint mark on the rear of the coin. It's actually on the rear of the coin. So we have George's bust, and we have these titles on the rear, which is what we're talking about. We have Britannia seated, and just to the right of the shield, in this area here, you have the Soho mint mark. To the left and behind Britannia, we have a ship. Now this coin is I can't actually see the ship in that one. The date is at the bottom underneath Britannia. There is no mintage, or I can find no mintage for this coin. So the last year of manufacture, it wasn't manufactured by the main mint, is from the Soho mint, which seemed to do a lot of these types of low value coins, and they also did a lot of the cartwheel coins as well that came from this period of George III and George II and George III. What do you think of this coin? I actually quite like this coin. I do find the bust is somewhat Romanesque in the way that it's been portrayed. I wonder if that's the reason why there's the laureate on the actual head, like a winner's laurels that they used to get presented during Olympic type competitions or during the games, you know, the Roman games. So that ends this review of this coin. It's short and sweet. There's only the one coin in this review. Tell me, what do you think of it? I'm actually very happy to have it as part of my collection. So, if you've enjoyed this particular video, let's just take it up a little bit and let's go out. Not in, out. And check it all about, as they say. If you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. And also, would you please, if you've a returner to the channel, or even if this is your first time and you believe I deserve it, could you please subscribe? I am looking to increase my subscription level of the channel this year, and subscription doesn't cost you anything, so if you do believe I deserve it, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. This will also help me go in front of new people by the algorithm that YouTube uses. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, thank you for staying to the end of the video, and I hope to meet you again very shortly in an upcoming video. I do 4 a week, so hopefully you'll find something you like. And in the meantime, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da!